Alright guys, so this is my crossover, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be letting you see that there's a cracking sound also. See this? When I press this some feels like it's clunky. You hear that? I will listen you hear that? Hear that? It's a little bit clunky, right? So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting our magic formula, and we will let you see how it works. Okay guys, so we're gonna be testing this right here. As you can see, we're gonna be using the music again. There's no cracking sound anymore. Even if you press this at the back, the clunky button, there's no scratching sound. Hear that? It's very good. Look. That's how good this product is, guys. Thank you guys for watching. That's how you fix your knobs and your button switches on your crossover, guys.